Think you've seen all the coolest Amazon gadgets? Think again. These 30 insane finds are going viral right now, and once you see number 7, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Let's dive in. Tired of tripping over shoes or cramming them into tight spaces? This vertical shoe rack is the ultimate space saver you didn't know you needed. With its sleek, tall design, it stores multiple pairs without eating up your floor space. Perfect for small rooms or entryways. Organization just got a stylish upgrade. Say goodbye to heavy towels slipping off your head. This microfiber hair wrap towel is ultra lightweight, super absorbent, and stays securely in place with a button loop. It dries your hair faster without damage or frizz, making it perfect for daily use. A must-have for quick, hassle-free hair care routines. Dry your delicate clothes, herbs, or fish with ease using this 4-layer foldable nylon hanging drying net. Its breathable mesh design ensures proper airflow while preventing insects and dust. Foldable and space-saving, it's perfect for balconies or laundry rooms. A smart and efficient way to air dry multiple items at once. Give your feet the pampering they deserve with this foot shower spa massager slipper. Designed with built-in bristles and massaging points, it cleans and stimulates your feet while you shower. No bending required. It even helps improve circulation and exfoliate dead skin, turning your daily shower into a refreshing spa-like experience. Craft perfect dumplings in seconds with this stainless steel dumpling maker. Its ergonomic design helps you fold and seal dumplings effortlessly, giving them a uniform, professional look every time. Durable, rust-resistant, and easy to clean. It's a must-have for anyone who loves homemade momos, dumplings, or empanadas without the hassle. This portable mini USB sink washing machine is a game-changer for quick, hassle-free cleaning. Perfect for small loads, delicates, or baby clothes. It fits right in your sink and runs via USB. Compact, lightweight, and energy efficient. Ideal for travel, dorms, or small apartments. Just plug in, drop your clothes, and watch it work. Say goodbye to messy mornings with this rotating cereal dispenser. Designed for convenience and space saving, it keeps your cereals fresh, organized, and easily accessible. With a simple twist, dispense the perfect portion every time. No spills, no hassle. It's a stylish and functional upgrade for your kitchen counter that even kids will love using. Maximize your storage with this rotating multi-purpose hanging hook. Perfect for kitchens, closets, bathrooms, or offices. It features a 360-degree swivel design and multiple hooks to hang anything from utensils to accessories. Easy to install and super sturdy. It helps you declutter and organize your space effortlessly while keeping essentials within reach. Upgrade your shower setup with this self-adhesive shower head holder. No drilling, no tools. Just peel, stick, and you're good to go. It firmly grips any smooth surface and adjusts to your preferred angle, making it ideal for kids, pets, or handheld showers. A quick, convenient fix for a more comfortable shower experience. This flexible water tap extender pipe is a game changer for your kitchen or bathroom. It easily attaches to most faucets and bends in any direction, making washing dishes, fruits, or even your hands more convenient. Perfect for deep sinks or tricky angles. It helps reduce splashing and improves reach effortlessly. Say goodbye to touching dirty lids with this smart sensor trash can. It opens automatically with just a wave of your hand, making disposal hygienic and effortless. Sleek and modern, it's perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or offices. The motion sensor technology keeps things clean, convenient, and touch-free every time. This collapsible bucket is the ultimate space-saving solution for your home, car, or outdoor adventures. Made from durable, flexible material, it folds flat when not in use, making it easy to store in tight spaces. Whether you're cleaning, gardening, camping, or traveling, this lightweight bucket is ready to handle it all. With its sturdy handle and leak-proof design, it's both practical and portable, perfect for everyday tasks and emergencies alike. The 5-in-1 stackable cube stool is a genius space-saving addition to any home. Designed for versatility, it functions as a stool, storage cube, mini table, step-up stand, and more, all in one compact unit. The modular, stackable design lets you customize your space while keeping it organized and stylish. Perfect for small apartments, dorms, or any space where functionality meets creativity. Durable, lightweight, and incredibly handy. Car shock absorber pads are a game-changer for smoother, quieter rides. These durable pads reduce vibrations, absorb road shocks, and improve overall driving comfort, especially on bumpy or uneven roads. Easy to install and compatible with most vehicles. They not only enhance your ride quality but also extend the life of your car's suspension system. This broom and dustpan set is designed to make your cleaning routine faster and more efficient. The broom features fine bristles that capture even the tiniest dust particles, while the dustpan comes with a rubber lip to ensure everything sweeps in easily without leaving a trace behind. With a long, ergonomic handle, you can clean comfortably without bending over. It's perfect for homes, offices, or even garages, keeping your space spotless with minimal effort. Say goodbye to guesswork in the kitchen with this digital measuring spoon scale. Perfect for measuring small quantities of ingredients like spices, powders, or liquids. It gives you accurate readings in seconds. Ideal for baking, dieting, or meal prep. It combines the convenience of a spoon with the precision of a digital scale. Transform any space into a cozy, cushioned zone with these interlocking foam floor tiles. Perfect for playrooms, home gyms, or even your office. They're soft, durable, and easy to assemble. The waterproof surface makes cleaning a breeze, while the stylish design adds a touch of comfort and class to your floors. Upgrade your space with this versatile sofa cum bed, perfect for small apartments or unexpected guests. It effortlessly transforms from a stylish, comfy sofa into a cozy bed within seconds. Whether you're lounging during the day or sleeping at night, It offers both comfort and functionality without compromising on style or space. Say goodbye to loose or tight jeans with these clever jeans button pins. No sewing required. Just pin and snap for an instant size adjustment. They're perfect for quick fixes, weight changes, or adding extra comfort to your favorite pair. Durable, reusable, and super easy to use. Your jeans just got smarter. This car cleaning gel is your secret weapon for getting into every nook and cranny. It easily molds into vents, buttons, cup holders, and tight spaces where dust hides. Just press, lift, and watch the dirt disappear. Reusable and mess-free. It's a fun and satisfying way to keep your car spotless. Opening wine bottles has never been this effortless. This electric wine opener pops the cork in seconds with just the push of a button. No twisting, pulling, or broken corks. Sleek and cordless, it's perfect for dinner parties, date nights, or relaxing evenings at home. It even comes with a foil cutter for a complete wine opening experience. A must-have gadget for wine lovers everywhere. Make tile cleaning a breeze with this tile scrubber brush featuring a long handle for maximum reach and comfort. No more bending or kneeling. Just stand and scrub. Its tough bristles tackle grime and soap scum with ease, leaving your bathroom or kitchen tiles spotless. Perfect for floors, walls, and even tight corners. Upgrade your bathroom with this wall-mounted toothbrush dispenser that combines convenience and hygiene in one sleek design. It features automatic toothpaste dispensing, slots for multiple brushes, and an integrated cup holder, all in a compact, space-saving setup. Say goodbye to messy counters and hello to an organized, hassle-free morning routine. Keep your kitchen sink clean and clog-free with this flexible silicone sink strainer, designed to trap food particles while allowing water to flow freely. It's perfect for preventing blockages without the hassle. The soft, durable material fits most standard sinks and is easy to remove and clean. A small change that makes a big difference in your daily kitchen routine. Pop open your favorite drink with style using this beer bottle opener ring, designed to fit comfortably on your finger. It's a sleek, hands-free way to open bottles anytime, anywhere. Whether you're at a party, barbecue, or camping trip, this stainless steel ring combines fashion with function, always ready to crack open a cold one in seconds. Thanks for sticking around. We hope you found some seriously cool gadgets to make life a little easier and a lot more fun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing finds. Got a favorite gadget from today's list? Drop it in the comments below. See you in the next one.